caption about quadratic equations. Okay, let's read the captions first. In right angle triangle ABC angle 90 degrees, AB is x minus 2, BC is x minus 1 and AC is 5 centimeter. In the triangle ABC, write the relationship between sides AB, BC and AC in terms of x. Okay, triangle ABC, uh, write the relationship between sides AB, BC and AC. So hence it is a right triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem in this triangle to show the relationship AC in terms of x. Okay, and AC in terms of x. AB and BC are already in terms of x, but we have to determine AC in terms of x. Then show that x satisfies this equation, and we have to show this equation as well. For that, you should write like this: in triangle ABC, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras or Pythagorean theorem. What he says? Pythagoras hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square, that means AC square. This is the thing you should write first. AB, BC, AC. In terms of AB, BC, AC. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to right angle. So that would be AC square. That's equals to AB square plus BC square. This is the relationship you should write for the first question. Then show the relationship. We have to show this relationship as well. To find the relationship, what do we need to do is, let's substitute the according values. AC is 5, so 5 square. AB, that's x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2. So x minus 2 square plus BC, which is x minus 1 square. 5 square means 25. X minus 2 square means I'll find that. I'll do the expansion here. X minus 2 square means x minus 2 into x minus 2. So to expand this, you should expand the second bracket by x first. X should be multiplied with this x minus 2. What do we need to do in this case? You should split this into 2. This x should be multiplied with these values, and then after negative 2 also multiplied with those values. That thing you should do over here. I'll write that properly. Let's separate this into 2. First, you should expand the second bracket by using x. So x into x minus 2. Then after remaining value in first bracket, that's negative 2. You should expand the second bracket by using negative 2 as well. X into x, x square. X into negative 2, negative 2x. Negative 2 into x, negative 2x again. Negative 2 into negative 2, that's positive 2. X square minus 2x, 2x, 4x minus 4x plus 4 plus 4. This is the expansion of x square minus 2. So I'll write that expansion here. X square minus 4x plus 4. 4x plus 4. Likely, when you expand this expression, okay, this expression, so that one, the expression, you expand that one, I'll expand over here. X minus 1 into x minus 1. Minus 1 into x minus 1. First of all, you should split the first bracket into two different participants. Then expand x by x minus 1 bracket. Then negative 1 x minus 1 into x minus 1. X into x, x square. X into negative 1, negative 1x. Negative 1 into x, negative 1x again. Negative 1 into negative 1, positive 1. X square. Negative 1x, negative 1x, negative 2x plus 1 plus 1. This is the way you should expand the second one. So it will give you x square minus 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Let's add the corresponding values. X square plus x square, that's 2x square. Negative 4x, negative 2x, negative 6x. 6x. 4 plus 1, that's 5 plus 5. That's equals to 25. Okay, that's equals to 25. Then let's bring all the numericals to one side. Okay, here you can see all the values are located in one side of the equation. So I'll bring this positive 25 to next side. So 2x cube minus 6x plus 5. This positive 25, when you bring that to next side, that will become negative 25. Okay, negative 25, that's equals to 0. Then after 2x cube minus 6x plus 5, negative 25, that means 2x cube minus 6x, positive 5, negative 25 will become negative 20. Okay, negative 20 both together, numericals, plus 5, negative 25, that will become negative 20. Yeah, this expression shows similarly like this, but there is no any 2 here. So all these are 2 multiples. So we can select 2 as a common factor. X cube minus 3x minus 10. That's equals to 0. Okay, that's equals to 0. This is the expression what we had in this question. So accordingly, you should bring this 2 as a dividend to this side. So 0 divided by 2, that's 0 again as well. So x cube minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. That's all. What we did over here. Okay, here plus 5 and negative 25. These became negative 20. But according to our equation, the answer is given. We have to choose the correct path to go to our answer, to achieve our answer. For that, there is no only 2 coefficients here. All these are 2 multiples. So accordingly, we selected 2 as a common factor. 2x, from 2x 2 was selected, from 6x also 2 selected, negative 3x, negative 20 2 selected, negative 10. So then after, when you bring the multiplicand 2 as a dividend to next side, 0 divided by 2, that would be 0 again. Okay, that would be only 0. That means 0 divided by any value, that will give you 0. So x cube minus 3x minus 10, that is equals to 0. Then next question, solve the above equation and find the length of sides AB and BC. Okay, we have to solve this equation to find AB and BC. Okay, to solve this equation, x cube and negative 10, x cube and negative 10. So when we multiply those two n members, that will give you negative 10 x cube. Okay, negative 10 x cube. So accordingly, you should find possible multiplication pair to obtain this negative 10 x cube. 5 and 2. Okay, 5 and 2. Here in the middle value has negative, so higher value would have negative. Negative into positive, negative. So accordingly, negative 5 and positive 2. So we found x minus 5, factorization of this one, x minus 2 into x plus 2. X minus 2 into x plus 2 equals to 0. These are our factors. We've just factorized this according to quadratic manner. So it would be x minus 2 into x plus 2 equals to 0. When we multiply two different values, that will give you 0. So mark this, one of that should be 0. X minus 5 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equals to 0. These are the two possible ones. X minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. X is equals to, when we bring this minus 2, negative 2 to next side, that will become positive 5. When we bring this positive 2 to next side, that will become negative 2. Okay, these are some solutions solving quadratic equation. Just found the factorization, then accordingly this one, x minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. X minus 5 equals to 0 means, let's bring this negative 5 to next side, that will become positive 5. X is equals to positive 5 or x is equals to negative 2. But when you look at this, x is a length. Okay, x is the length. So length cannot be 0, no? Length is always a positive one, always greater than 0. There is no any 0 length or negative length in world. So x cannot be negative. This is called as determination. Okay, determination. That means you have to determine what is our possible one. These are some applications of mathematics. That means we obtain two values. In those two, you should determine which one is our possible one. X is 5, X is negative 2. Among these two, X is negative 2 was wrong, no? Because length cannot be a negative value. So X would be 5. From our two answers, okay, two solutions, we obtained X is equals to 5 as our answer. Because X cannot be negative 2. Accordingly, let's solve the above equation and find length of sides AB and AC. AB is, okay, AB is X minus 2. No? X minus 2 means X is 5. 5 minus 2 means that would be 2 centimeters. 5 minus 2 means 3 centimeters. That's the length of AB. Similarly, let's find BC. BC is x minus 1. BC is this one, x minus 1. We found x as 5. 5 minus 1, that would be 4 centimeters for BC. BC would be 4 centimeters.